Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe. I'm a realtor located in Citrus County, Florida. Today I'm in Citrus Springs touring this brand new construction home built by Empire Construction. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage home with 1,453 living square footage and almost 2,100 total square footage. This home is priced at $260,900. If you would like to take a tour of this home in person, give me a call at 352-507-5675 and be sure to check the description below with the address, the price, and all the details. Come take a tour with me. Thanks for joining me on this tour today. Again, if you have any questions, give me a call at 352-507-5675. Have a good one.